Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be doing today we'll be decorating this slime. So I actually added the other pink slime that was so tiny and it was not stretchy into this. So soft and amazing. Because the clothes over here, I'm hiding in the closet if you don't see. Like, look at it. It's so cute. So next, I'm going to be adding this to the bowl. And now let's get our magic spoon and let's get some glitter. Oh, shoot. I almost fell. So which color should we add? Which glitter should we add? Sparkly glitter. My favorite, but I do not know which one. And you guys will be helping me. I have this pink. Wait, let me bring them out. So I have these three colors. Comment down below which color should I get. So I have pink, a yellow, a blue, and the phone fell. Oh, sorry guys. So I think I should do purple because it's gonna be so matching and pretty. And yeah, let's do purple. Put all of these back. Let's use a little charm. Yep. I'm going to use a little charm. We should use a little star because it's purple. And I want this to be a Kurumi song. And this theme is going to be Kurumi. So these purple balls, they're so cute. I might use them. So let's move all of this away and start. So let's start getting our spoon. Mixing. Now let's get it ready for this. So first let's start opening this. I'm excited. There's already a couple fell. It feels weird. I'm not going to add all of it. Because I ain't want a mess. I ain't want a mess. And there's already a giant mess. So let's start mixing it. Before, I used to hate mixing my glitter because they were just too pretty. I hate mixing slime because they're so pretty. I don't want to mix the slime because they are so pretty to see. Sobbing, you know, comfortable and laugh when you say it's pain and you need everything, a little bit hunger. Okay, this is a song I heard. So if you know this song, maybe you can comment down below what song it is. Well, so I see you in the next video. Bye guys. Part 2. Part 1, I mean. Bye. Part 2.